Hello everyone. Are you obsessed with Lisa's stunning look at the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2024? Her Western-inspired nude makeup, combined with those two sparkling crystals on her eyes, made her look absolutely mesmerizing. Today, I'm going to recreate this iconic makeup look and see if I can transform into Lisa. If you're a fan of her style or looking for a chic and trendy makeup look, then don't miss this video. Let's get started. Lisa has naturally fair and luminous skin. So to achieve this effect, I'll brighten my complexion using the VDL Tone Up Primer, which enhances skin brightness while keeping it smooth and natural. To make my eyes look brighter and reduce dark circles, I use the Tokobo Brightening Eye Gel. Next, I'll apply the Yves Saint Laurent foundation in a light, bright shade for a flawless, porcelain-like finish. I absolutely love this foundation. Not only does it provide great coverage, but it also has an amazing scent. To ensure the makeup stays in place all day, I'll set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, keeping the skin matte and shine-free. Lisa often sports straight-across bangs, so I'll lightly fill in my brows using heavy rotation by Kiss Me and Wake Make Eyebrow Pencil to maintain a soft, natural look. The eyes are the main focus of this makeup. First, curl your lashes and wear gray contact lenses to achieve Lisa's captivating gaze. Using the Dior 01 Nude Essentials eyeshadow palette, apply the shade beige all over the eyelids. Line the upper lash line and lower inner corner with Bobbi Brown eyeliner, then blend it out with a matte brown shade for a soft, natural depth. Apply individual false lashes carefully to both the upper and lower lash lines. Don't worry if the glue looks white at first. It turns invisible in just a few seconds. Use taupe to enhance the under eye area, then add a touch of pearly to create a subtle shimmer. Blend rose bronze into the crease for extra depth, and highlight the inner corners with a pearly shade to make the eyes pop. Coat the lashes with Maybelline, the Colossal Mascara for extra volume. And for the final touch, apply 2 crystal gems under the lower lash line for that signature Lisa sparkle. A sharp winged eyeliner will further define and enhance the eyes. Lisa has a cute, round face with a shorter chin, so to create a more structured look, I'll apply Golden Almond Stick Foundation in a triangle shape along the jawline and chin, then blend it out with a sponge for a more sculpted look. Contour the nose and jawline with Wake Make contour powder for a sharper, more defined face. Lisa wore a warm-toned orange blush during the show, so I'll use Apu's cream blush as a base to ensure long-lasting color. To add a luminous glow, I'll highlight my cheekbones with Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, a gorgeous nude-toned highlighter that perfectly complements this look. I'll then set everything with another layer of translucent powder to lock in the makeup. Finally, for that fresh, radiant flush, I'll add a soft coral pink blush from Hourglass. This shade is super flattering, perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. Lisa is known for her full, sexy lips, so to mimic this effect, I'll slightly overline my lips with a nude lip liner for a fuller shape. Then I'll apply Charlotte Tilbury's Nude Pillow Talk lipstick. This shade is the closest match to what Lisa wore, and it creates a plump, luscious lip look. And that's it. Our Lisa-inspired makeup is complete. Now all that's left is to style the hair and we're all set. What do you guys think? Do I look like Lisa? I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it helps you achieve a stunning, confident look just like Lisa. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Let me know in the comments who you'd like me to transform into next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!